Hey YouTube, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. Today I am bringing you guys a very simple recipe. It's a soup recipe. These are our ingredients that we're gonna use. We're gonna need canola oil or any vegetable oil that you have on hand. That's fine. That right there, that's the carrot. It's a three shredded carrot, and this is the red bell pepper. This is one onion, and we have a tomato. You need two fruit tomato, two fresh tomato. I'm sorry, and you do need a yellow bell pepper. But mine it's frozen, so I'm gonna just defrost it when I start cooking. And this over here, it's 4 cube. I think I did six potato. They were like those tiny potato. So this is about how much you need. I did six fresh potato, and you can peel if it's big. Maybe you can make three. It just depend on your family size. And that right there, it's onion powder, garlic powder, and this is the kidney beans that we're gonna use for our soup. And right there is the dill. We're gonna put it at the end as a garnish. So we're gonna go ahead and start our process, shall we?